Good Thursday morning. Okay, since the SPOOs are flat, they're trading up a quarter here, down a quarter at 1390, 125. I'm not even going to discuss that. I'm still looking for 1400, 1404. I don't know if we'll see that. Month-end markups are in play here today, tomorrow. So we got the printing. I wouldn't be surprised to try to see him pin it around 1400, and that's kind of why I'm calling that number. And it happens to be about 50% of the move down that we had back up. Quick chart of oil here. I just want to show the blow-off top from last week where we traded up to 135 on the 21st, and then we proceeded to pull back yesterday morning. Our low on the 28th a week later was 125 and 80 cents or so. If you take you draw the fibs on there, you can see that the 61% fib line, we tagged it perfectly yesterday at 151.57. And that was just a great sell area. Again, I talked about the 61.8 fib line. I prefer that over the 50. Had a great pullback to that area and a nice sell area. Now you're back to the 128 area, which if you took a fib from yesterday's low, 125.80, up to the 131.50, this is the 50% line right in here. So this is a good area to cover, right about where we are. So again, that trade happened. We took that off already. Rallied right up to that fib line, and now the easy technical money was made there, and now we've just pushed to the sidelines on oil. But the future laid out real nicely yesterday with that snapback. Trapped the new shorts that got in the 125s, 126s, and to resell them back there at that line 131.5 was a great area. Other than that, folks, there's not a lot happening. Oil is again down $2. Gold down 20 bucks, trading 880. Again, I mentioned yesterday it had actually ticked down to 840 yesterday. Gold traded down to 843. So there's some strange games going on in gold lately, and most of it's happening even before the market. Again, we're down 20 bucks on gold, and most of that happened overnight. The euro's down considerably, down about 0.75%. Gold's down 2.5%. You've got retail stocks pointing up a little bit this morning. The 10-year flying. 10-year's at almost 4.1% this morning. It's trading 40.83. So again, we are broken out. They're done cutting rates, folks. The Fed can't save you anymore. They've got to be raising rates with the inflationary pressures out there, and they know that. And they're actually starting to talk about raising rates finally. About 3 years too late, but they're talking about it finally. So that's what you got going on out there. The dollar's had a little bit of a rally, as it should, with the interest rates going up. Dollar's trading 72.95, and we'll be back later today. Have a great morning.